So we're in index.php, and what I'm going to do is use a little bit of Bootstrap, a little bit of HTML5, new HTML5 to tidy up my form. I want this sort of post button blue, I want a bit of a gap, I want a message to appear at the bottom, and I want these to clear every time I sort of post something. So I'm posting something now, go back to the page, and Billy's still there. I want that to be clear when I come back to it. So I can handle the clear to begin with. So if we go to the name box, the text box for person, I can type value equals nothing. That should clear it out, and I can do the same with the comment. Value equals nothing. So we can sort of save that, and when I reload the page, let's make a comment. So Frida, post, okay, it's gone there. Go back to the page. Oh, and I've still got Frida. So we need to work on that one. So if I reload the page, I don't get it, but that's fine. That's working pretty much okay. What I want to do is sort of put all of this form, or not the form, the name and the comment sort of in its own container. So I'm going to have a div in here. So there's my sort of container, and I'm going to end the container before the button. There we go, and if I indent those two, you'll see that. Whoops, missed it. I need to indent that line as well. There we go. So here's my container, and what I'm going to do is set this class. This is a Bootstrap 4 style, and I'm going to call this a form group. Class equals form group, and hopefully it's going to sort of put a nice little spacing between the name, comment and the post button. So let's see that in action. Let's see if we've got that, and there we go. Job done. Now I want this button to be in blue, so again I'm going to use some more Bootstrap 5 information. So the class equals, and it's a button, and I want the colour to be button primary, which should be blue. So if I save that and again refresh the page, there we go, I've got a nicer button for post. So I've tidied my form up quite a bit. It looks quite nice and almost ready to sort of make a go with the PHP. But that is going to be quite a challenge, so you'll have to pay a lot of attention. What I'm going to do is I'm going to finish off the page by putting something called a footer at the bottom of everything. Footer, and I'm going to type some message. I'm just going to put some message here so you can see where that's going to appear. So if I save that and refresh my page, it's going to say some message. I'm going to have that formatted nicely, but that's going to be my kind of message as to what's happening on the page, whether I've added a new comment successfully. So if I did this post, I'm going to want this message to be on that page here without leaving this page. So that's going to be the next challenge, but that's going to come from a little bit of programming in setup.php. So let's get on with that.